the Advocate Association from South Goa alleged that some corruption is going on, Speaker, sir. That's why I'm surprised to see in your right of citizens time-bound delivery public services act is in place. In spite of these acts being in place, in spite of your collector's orders to the subordinates, I'm surprised to see the allegation on your very particular South Goa courts of Margao and Kepe. So,
and ताज्या खातीर स्पीकर साहेब पयल्या 100 दिसां भितर Goa Online we started this service for all applications which are there, which are available online, residential, caste certificate, income certificate, divergence certificate, so good certificates are available online to the e-district module which is available on Goa Online. Speaker sir, tatun mutationaचे reforms हाडपाक within 90 days, within 45 days without objection, and if with objection जाल्यार 90 days, हाज्या खातीर mutation reforms हाडले, amendment to Rule 10 of the Act was done. Similarly, Speaker sir, आमी म्युटेशन सुद्दां सब रजिस्ट्रार करतले आनी थंयच्यान मनशाक मामलतदार ऑफिसान वचचें पडचें ना हें सुद्दां हाजी काळजी घेतली बाय दीस पर्टिक्युलर अमेंडमेंट ऑफ 15A. सो सरकारी मनशाक न मेळटा ह्या सिटिझना कडल्यान तुजें सिटिझन सर्वीस सेंटरा कडल्यान तुजें काम जाता. आतां when it comes to advocate, Speaker sir, advocate actually deals with every type of a case. But we are very sensitive of the topics which we have taken. We are very sensitive, this government is very sensitive of the people of Goa. सर्वसामान्य लोकांचो सरकार हो, and ताज्या खातीर we have entrusted all modules to take care of the common citizen.